Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the custom text overlay in CapCut apps. Alright, for instance, tap on the project and select stock videos, select black screen and add to the track, and I'm just going to change for aspect ratio, but this is according to your need. Yeah, that's it. And go to text, select add text, just type your text. You can change for the font style. You can add the animation. And after done, you can export. So tap on your project, select your video, or just Photoshop you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to open the project that I have, and there is a photo here, and I'm just going to add the overlay. So add overlay and select that's created. So you can merge it and select blend, select overlay, just for the opacity, and here we go. This is the final effect you have on your text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.